This video will cover the installation of Bilstein HD rear shock absorbers into a 1982 Volvo 245. This installation can be completed over lunch. Support the rear of your car with a pair of jack stands placed at the rear jacking points, so that the rear axle is not bearing any weight. Set your jack just below the control arm under the spring as a support, but do not compress the spring. Disconnect the bottom of the shock from the control arm. Do not lose the shock spacer found inside the control arm. Disconnect the top of the shock from the chassis. Once the nut and washer are removed, the shock will slide off a fixed post. Install your new shock absorber, starting with the top bushing. Now to seat the lower end of the shock. When using stiffer shock absorbers like the Bilstein HD, using a jack to raise or lower the control arm to align with the lower bushing of the shock may be necessary. Once aligned, reconnect as found, and you're all set. Enjoy your new rear shock absorbers in your Volvo 240.